Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the PDF in an editor that supports page management. Adobe Acrobat, Preview on Mac, or a free editor will do. Once the file is open, go directly to the Pages or Thumbnails panel so you can see every page. This visual step matters. Make sure to save a backup copy now, using Save As and a version number, because undo isn't always reliable. Doing this first protects the original and speeds the rest of the deletion process. You now select the pages you want removed. Click a single thumbnail or hold Shift or Control, CMD on Mac, to pick a range or several non-consecutive pages. Once selected, use the Delete key, right-click and choose Delete, or click Delete in the Organize Pages toolbar. The exact command depends on your app. After you confirm the deletion dialog, scan the thumbnail strip to ensure pages removed were the correct ones. Make sure to check headers or page numbers. Finish by saving the edited PDF with Save or Save As, and include a versioned file name so you can revert if needed. This finalizes the deletion. If pages reappear or edits fail, close without saving and reopen your backup copy, then repeat the selection and delete steps. Corrupt files or permissions can block changes. If your editor lacks delete tools, export the document via print to PDF while omitting unwanted pages. That creates a new file without the removed pages.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.